In this video, we are going to look into the customizer settings for the cart and the checkout page. So if you are interested in learning how much you can customize the cart page and the checkout page using the Kadence theme, then without further ado, let's get started now. So the first thing that you want to do is to go to the customize here. So you need to ensure that you have Kadence Pro activated. I have already Kadence Pro theme activated, and from here you can click on this WooCommerce, and then in here, first of all, here you will see this option add to cart behavior. So click on that to cart behavior, and for now you can see I have both of these options enabled. The first option is show the cart pop out on add to cart. So this is cart pop out option here. So if I disable this option, if I add anything into the cart, you will notice that that option will no longer be available there. Next option is that single product ajax add to cart. So if I add anything into the cart, this will be added without reloading the page. So this is one option for the cart that is available in the theme. And then next option that you have for the checkout is that you can click on the checkout field here, and from here you can decide whether you want to make the company field hidden, or you want to make the address line field hidden, or you want to make the phone line field hidden, optional or required. That is, I think, all the options that you have available with the customizer in the Kadence theme. So I think that's all for this video. If you find this video useful, be sure to hit the like button. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.